powder or any of that. So you want to check some of these out. And then I also talk about hair. I talk about if you're wearing your hair natural, straight, extended, however, hair is hair, okay? But learning styling tip to care for your hair strands, that's key. So you can blow it out, you can wash and go, you can wear it natural and curly. So there's also products that you can shop for this year from Brooklyn Beauty TV products channel. You can first of all, you can visit the website at brooklynbeautytv.com. You can navigate the site, learn a little bit of what we have to offer. But on the show, I just wanted to show my beginnings to my first video to where I'm at now. And I also want to say women in media, entertainment, film,